Welcome to the Louise Hay Inspired series. My name is Sampoorna. I'm a HelioLife teacher trainer for India. In this series, we present a daily quick bite by a HelioLife teacher. This February, we bring to you a mini series on relationships based on Louise Hay's philosophy that explore and deepen our relationships with different people in our lives, including ourselves.
Hi, my name is Gargi and I'm from Chennai. Please close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, and just take in these words. In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole and complete. Deep at the center of my being, there is an infinite well of love. I now allow this love to flow to the surface. It fills my heart, my body, my mind, my consciousness, my very being, and radiates out from me in all directions and returns to me multiplied. The more love I use and give, the more I have to give. The supply is endless. I appreciate the beautiful world I live in. The earth is a wise and loving mother, providing everything we could ever want. All our needs are taken care of. There is water, food, air, and companionship. We have an infinite variety of animals, vegetation, birds, fish, and incredible beauty. I treat this planet with respect. I've reduced the use of our valuable resources, grateful that this planet has given us a place to live. I recycle and compost and organically garden and improve the quality of the soil. It is my planet, and I help to make it a better place to live. I spend quiet time every day actively imagining a peaceful planet. I envision the governments of the world working together to balance their budgets and handle money fairly. I see the planet healed and whole, with everyone fed, clothed, housed, and happy. I see the people on the planet opening their hearts and their minds to each other. And together, we create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. It is possible, and it all starts with me. I live in trust, knowing that I am a beloved child of the universe. And the universe embraces me now and forevermore. All is well in my world, and so it is. Whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and come back.